All right, another edition of my hair's a mess. Another edition of Major Investor. This is Will's channel, and I'm representing Major Investing. We're gonna try something new today. Looking forward to seeing everybody. We have three people like it before, so we'll see if we can't increase it by one person. What can we say today? Today we normally talk about investing, and because I'm an advocate for investing in real estate, investing in real estate because it returns money to your pocket. This week, unfortunately, the markets have taken a downturn because of the Omicron variant, thus causing havoc in the marketplace, which I'm telling people to hold off from buying um, because we don't know anything about the variant. There's so many people out there that are telling you, oh, it's a good idea to invest. And now's the perfect opportunity because everything is taking a downturn to invest. But you don't want to catch a falling knife. Everybody uses this statement every once in a while. Back in 2002, 2008, 2007, when everything took a slash, they tell you don't buy on the bottom or don't buy when it's going down. That is absolutely true. You wait for a recovery to happen, see it move past its 50-day moving average, and then buy in. That is absolutely true. Okay, so don't be the first to jump in when it's going down. That being said, Joy announced that it made $2.80 a share, and that's an energy stock. I like it because it's valued at $2.80. It's currently trading at 221. So it is a screaming buy, but as everybody knows, never catch a falling knife. The valuations though tell you it's worth $2.80 on the book value of the stock. So that being said, that is a huge discount, guys. Like 60 cents. That's huge and then it can go to $6, $7 easily. So you chose your bottoms, choose your target price. Mine is $2.10. If you want to know what my target price is to jump in, it's $2.10. Um, I was going to do something, a little bit of comedy today, hoping that I would catch everybody and see if we can get something going or do some sort of comedy act for you guys with investing. Um, the biggest thing I can do for you is tell you stocks not to buy, and then you make a determination whether you want to or not. And of course, keeping with the theme of real estate, because real estate makes money. But in certain cases, some real estate stocks haven't made money in a while. Um, so those are the ones to avoid because they have to borrow to pay you their dividends. That tells you how safe they are. They're not very safe. So, with all due respect, and let's get cracking on your major investment strategies. So, like listening to two or three people on how we can improve this channel, what you want to see. There isn't a lot of feedback, so you guys are not giving me enough feedback. So you're not subscribing, and you're not leaving a comment, which I really like to have everybody's comments. And I'm wearing the logo for Star Trek, right? So I'm promoting Star Trek this week. Not, I don't promote nothing. I promote certain stocks, yes, BTB, OSCO, Suro Energy, or Suro Capital, sorry, not Suro Energy, Suro Capital. Um, there are all kinds. There's Stag. Stag is good. Stag will get you real estate into logistics. So if you are into logistics and you're into Walmart and Amazon, and that gets you a little piece of their pie because they only deal about 12% of their assets. So they are protected in the COVID cases. So this is good. Jet 2 is protected under the parameters of it, and so is Air Canada, so is American Airlines. Um, they do very well uh, in post pandemic. So in pre pandemic, they don't do so hot until they start switching over to cargo jets. And then when you go to cargo jet did very well during the pandemic because all it was doing was basically a Pure Later or a FedEx runs, right? So it's transferred from passenger to cargo. Jetline, same thing, it does the exact same thing, but it's a private airline. So if you're looking at Jet, JET on the venture exchange, these are not real estate, granted, okay, but these are pre-pandemic and post-pandemic companies that do very well. Okay, so keep that in mind. Costco, Walmart, Amazon did very well during the pandemic. So those are ones to look at right now. Don't buy, right? They just look at them. So you put them on your watch list and see. And same thing with all the real estate companies right now are flatline. Flatline. Okay, they're all flatline. So if they're flatline means good buying opportunity, yeah, okay. If you don't want your money moving, it's fine. If you're interested just in the dividend, that's fine too. You just pick a place where you want to buy and leave it, and that's perfectly fine. Um, so, do you want to talk about other stocks? I got other stocks. Hold on 2 seconds. Always got more. Always got more. Always got more. Okay. Always got more. More of what you don't know. More of what you do know. More of what you want to know. I have a lot of interesting choices here. Okay, so let's look at CSWC, and it trades quarterly dividends. Not interested or interested. Quarterly dividends is every 4 quarters, right? So every 3 months they pay the dividend. This one at Capital Southern Southwest Corporation pays $1.76. That is huge. But I believe they trade at $28 a stock. So that tells you how many shares you can buy and then what's your turnover rate on your investments. One I like is FSK. I like this one too. Again, uh, the dividend is $2.60. They're trading at $21.75. I think they're at $20.35 right now, currently. Again, this is an FSK on the New York Stock Exchange. It's got a half decent dividend, $2.60. My favorite is Oxford because you can buy it at $4.12 right now, and they have 42 cents a share per year. They pay a monthly dividend of 0.35 cents. So that tells you how many shares you can buy. You can buy 4 times more, 5 times more shares of Oxford. You get 385 US if you put down $50,000 on it. So if you did the same thing with the other one, you get 50,000 shares, but you don't get very many. You don't like 50,000 shares only get you 2,000 shares. At $1.76 every month, that gives you just under $200, right? $280, almost $300. If you do Oxford, you get $385 because you're able to buy 14,000 shares. That to me that speaks volumes, right? So you want to maximize the amount you're getting back, plus you want more. I know that Oxford in the past has not performed well because of COVID and the new variant, and this is why I say wait and see. Everything's on a hold. Stop. Right? It's great to pick it, but it's not absolutely a must to buy. And I wouldn't put any thought into it. And we'll do this disclaimer now. After I've said all that, we'll see what I mean by comedy. We're going to do this disclaimer saying that I can't tell you what to buy, when to buy, or when to sell anything. And that's just the truth about it. The brokers won't tell you what to buy or when to buy unless you sign a contract with them, stating that they're doing this in the best interest of you, and you agree that you're doing this in the best interest of yourself. So Nobody can tell you when to buy, what to buy, and they can just tell you when they're going to buy or when they are looking at buying a particular stock. And they may or may not own that stock. They don't have to disclose that information to anybody. That's public, and it's public acknowledgement of what they're doing, but it's not public acknowledgement of when they're doing it. So they might say that they're buying something, like me. I might say I'm buying something, but then if something better comes along, I don't have to disclose that. I don't have to point that out there. So just so you keep that in mind. So we can't tell you what to buy, when to buy. We can't tell you this is a good buy or a good buying opportunity. I can just tell you that do your own due diligence. This is only for your entertainment purposes only. Um, and hopefully it's informative so that you can make a good decision based on what the information that you know and all the information that's coming to you that's available to you at that time. Um, if you want insider information, that is illegal. Just so you know, insider information or trading information has to be public acknowledgement. So it has to be of the public. Now, unfortunately, some of these companies do publicize it. People just don't read it on certain levels. So if you went to the Cedar, if you know what Cedar is from the Watchman's list, so if you go to Stock Watch House or Watch List, you can find out what the Cedar is, and the Cedar gives you the company puts on the Cedar so they can make money off of it. So that when you go and do your research and due diligence on it, that they make a little bit of money off of that. That's why they put it on the Cedar, on the watch list, on the www.stockwatchlist.com. So, um, and Stockhouse, just so we're clear, Stockhouse is um, the BS board. They call it BS board. It's broadcasting board, but it it's fundamentally lies. Okay, so people are putting stuff on there that they want you to sell it or they want you to buy it. They'll either pump it or they'll trash it. So if they get you to trash it, it means they want to buy it at a lower price, because you have to ask yourself who's on here and what is their gain. Did they lose a lot of money on it and they just want to punish the stock? Nobody's on it that wants to punish anything. They either want to buy it at a lower price or they want to buy it. They want you to buy it now because they already bought in. So it's a bit of a conflict of interest on the board, and the board is not accurate. So please, when you're looking at the boards, especially Stockhouse, do your own due diligence. Do not believe everything that they post, because 90% of it is not true, even from their own perspective. Like I looked at B2 Gold, they said that they made less than, excuse me, they made less, they made, their earnings per share was negative 17 cents. Okay. When actuality, it was 82 cents. They made 82 cents per share. So it tells you how the inaccuracies are on the Stockhouse. Okay. I I alerted B2 Gold about this. They soon changed it. They soon fixed that problem with Stockhouse, and um, their guidance got lowered. So now it's at, I believe, 62 cents per share. So it's lost 20 cents on the dollar. So the valuations are mixed on the stock, even though I think it's still a good stock, a good company to own. I just wouldn't put too much emphasis in it. But like I said before, it depends on you when your entry, what you want your entry point in. Because 62 cents, that means it's worth $6.20. That's usually the gist of it. For mineral stocks, is 10 times earnings. So, and it's sitting at around $4.89. So it's undervalued according to the model. Okay. Let's look at Sixth Street Specialty Lending, um, TSLX, on the New York Stock Exchange, pays a monthly dividend, but they're currently sitting at 22.45. Earnings per share is $1.64, so they're a little overvalued by a lot. Okay, so if you're looking at the 10 time model, right, they are extremely overvalued. That would put them at $16.40 for fair market value, and they're trading at 20, 22, 23, 20, well, $24. Okay. Again, uh, looking at them and what they pay for a dividend with the $50,000 cap, Do the math on it. Gives you $308. Give you about $316 compared to an Oxford, which gives you $385 return. You can see the difference, right? Mine that I like the most is Suro Capital Corp, SSS on the triple quadruple S's on the Nasdaq monthly dividend. If you're to do the monthly dividend, is 49 cents per month. Come on, guys, say it with me: 49 cents per month per share. That's almost 50% of what you put in back in your pocket every month. That's freaking awesome, right? Because it's the shares, and the shares are right now at $11.85, 80.95 cents. You could probably put your price target in at $11 even, and it might get covered if you got a long enough time horizon on it. And you do have that time horizon. You know why, right? The dividend don't get posted till March, and you have to leave it in there until April to get your money. But it's $1.49, $1.49 for the 3 months. Okay, so you look at that and you go, holy crap, that's a huge, yeah. So your offset would be to buy something else that pays a monthly dividend, like Dream Realty investment units, currently trading at 16.85. Put it in there, they get earnings per share of 70 cents for the year. So you're looking at return on your equities. You're getting about $285 a month. Again, Oxford does better. So does BTB. So does H&R Real Estate Investment Trust. They give you more return on your money. Anyway, that's my take on it. And I'm always wanting to provide these videos so that I can get a big thumbs up and subscribe to the bottom. And I'm going to call it a day right now. I'll be back later, hopefully tomorrow. I'll do another one, do another segment. We'll try and make it more funnier so that we can get everybody laughing. Because we don't want to bother everybody with just facts, right? We want people who like us for us, and making short videos is fun, and it gives us a chance to reach out and grab a hold of who's ever on the other line and try and make their day a little brighter. Anyway, from the Omicron, it's a big hold on the markets. So if I haven't stressed it enough, it's a wait and see kind of thing. Don't buy anything unless you don't care if it goes up or down 20, 30%. Okay, you're not going to get upswings, you're going to get downswings, just so you know. Okay, but if you want to leave it and forget it, what can I recommend to you? Just do your own due diligence. I gave you the stocks already, so you're set on doing your due diligence and come back to me, give me a comment, a like, a subscribe, or a dislike. I hate it. Yeah, not good. Right? Okay, well, leave a comment to show me what you want, what you're looking for, and then we'll go ahead and see if I can juice it up for you a little bit and make it more fun and effective. And if we can do that, then we can get so much more going for us in the times ahead. Anyway, this is Major Investor leaving you on a side note, and this is not just in. This is me saying signing off. Hola, and wishing you a happy holidays and happy Hanukkah to all my Jewish friends out there. And to all my other friends out there, happy holidays. God bless you. Jesus loves everybody, so pass it on that you are loved, and that we're looking forward to seeing you and providing you with more information and more. And if you have other stocks you want me to look at, post them on the bottom. More than happy to help look for them and look at them and see what kind of dividend ratio they're providing and whether or not they're a solid investment for you or me or all the followers that I'm currently out there. And a big shout out to everybody in YouTube land. Even though I don't understand the YouTube facts or the concepts of the YouTube channels, like I said, 8 people view my tapes. 8. Okay, they view them. They say I got background noise. You got to get rid of the background noise. I'm like, if I had a radio station and I had background noise, would you put a stop to me? No. Why? Well, because you have broadcasting. You can do broadcasting. I'm like, God, give me a break, you guys. If I had a million followers, okay, but you know what the million followers are going to say? It's background noise. It's got nothing to do with his channel. It's just to fill in the stuff that's waiting, sitting, twiddling my thumbs, checking out the stats, going through my notes, um, reading on the material that I have to come up with and pick apart for you guys to help you. Makes no sense to me, right? This channel is for the people. And if it only reaches 20 to 30 people, who cares? Right? If it's background noise or if there's any noise, or if I got some feedback off of some video I'm playing from some game I'm playing, oh, you didn't get permission to post that, so you can't post it. I'm like, give me a break. This is free. All this information is free. It's not something I'm making money off of it. Trust me. I made 4 videos, 5 videos, 6 videos, and most of them are just trying to learn how to broadcast properly. And I'm still learning. So I'm like, I don't understand the YouTube channel fanatics or phenomenon that's going on right now with the YouTube breaking down every section of it, going through every listing to find out if it's relevant or not to the YouTube channel. I was like, doesn't make any sense to me. You can't post anything for more than 10 seconds, otherwise it's copyright infringement. Are you kidding me? That's a joke. You got 800 subscribers, 7,000 likes. Seriously, 7,000? That's it? There's 38 million people in Canada, and you're touching not even 1% of them? And you got to worry about infringements? Wow. You know, reminds me back in school when you were not allowed to copy off of a textbook without putting footnotes in it. Otherwise, it's copyright, and they can sue you for it. It's like, yeah, but who's broadcasting it? Who's seeing it? If 12 people see it, you can't tell me you're infringing on their privacy. That doesn't see the comedy in there. That's a huge comedy factor on the YouTube, just YouTube alone. Anyway, like, subscribe, make sure you hit the buttons. Thumbs up to the War Amps. Give them away. Right? Come on, guys. Don't get so serious, right? I know it's your money. I know it's your time. I know it's your effort. So let's try and get along and be happy. And if you see anything that's outreaching that you don't like, make sure you post it. I'm more than willing to see what we can do, make it better, make everybody's lives happier. That's all we're all about, right? Let's try to make you happy. So anyway, post, like, subscribe, enter a comment. You have to put a comment, guys. No one's got no voice. Everybody's got a voice. Make sure you get heard. Post it. Even though I'm only getting 5 people looking at it, 6 people looking at it, still would be nice to have something to fall back on. Otherwise, these are free and will remain free. And I probably won't post very much because nobody cares. If no one cares, why post it all? My thoughts exactly, not yours. Signing off now. 24 minutes and 5 seconds, and we're out. Thank you for liking me or not liking me or posting or not posting me, but at least give me some sort of sign that that we're doing something that's important and relative in your personal lives. Thank you. God bless you. Have a great day. Signing off.